Mama Flemish had 10 kids, and they're all doing pretty well. Aren't they, Mama? She lost all of hers over the winter. What are you doing, huh? Hey, why are you pulling fur and eating it? Hey, stop. What's the matter? What's the matter? Why are you pulling fur and eating it? You alright? What? I don't understand. What's going on? Any suggestions are welcome. I never saw this before. Oh, pretty girl, what's the matter? You're okay. Look at your babies. They were just born yesterday afternoon. First time I ever saw Mom pulling hair for a nest. Are you okay, Mom? I don't want something to happen to you. Are you a nervous Nellie? I know you're okay with me. Yeah, you're okay with me. All right. I have a camera in here with her, so I can see what she's doing. I can see if any babies came out of the nest with her. And now she has them uncovered, so they're all alive still. Snuggling up. All right, Mom, I'm going to keep my eye on you. Yes, I'm going to keep my eye on you. Why are you eating fur? You haven't touched your food. That's really gross. Are you trying to hide the remnants of your birth? I don't know. I've never seen this before. What are you doing? I'll be interested to see your comments. Thanks for watching.